You know what drives me absolutely crazy? Watching people throw money into the stock market like it's a casino, buying random stocks, chasing crypto hype, while they're sitting on 20% credit card debt. That's not investing. That's financial self-sabotage. It's like trying to fill a bucket with massive holes in the bottom and then wondering why you're not getting ahead. Let me introduce myself. My name is RJS. And I spend way too much time thinking about money, investing, and why most people seem determined to do everything in the wrong order. And if you're serious about building wealth, not gambling, not guessing, but actually building long-term financial freedom, then you need to understand this. There is a correct order to investing your money. And if you follow it, you can literally save tens of thousands of dollars over your lifetime. Ignore it, and you'll stay stuck, no matter how much you earn. Let me hit you with something that might surprise you. Right now, about 1 in 3 Americans has no emergency savings at all, and the median emergency fund, just $500. That's less than most people's car payment, but those same people are asking, should I buy stocks? Should I invest in crypto? That's like asking if you should buy a Ferrari when your current car doesn't even run. Here's the truth nobody wants to hear. Wealth isn't built by chasing exciting investments. It's built by following the right sequence. And today, I'm going to walk you through that exact sequence, step by step. Step 1. Build an emergency fund. Before you invest a single dollar, you need a safety net. I know, it's boring. You'd rather hear about the next hot stock. But this step is more important than anything else because life will happen. Your car breaks down. You lose your job. Unexpected medical bill. If you don't have cash saved, you're going to do one of two things: go into debt or sell your investments at the worst possible time. Both destroy your progress. So here's the simple plan. Start with $1,000. That's your first milestone. Then build up to 1 month of expenses. Then keep going until you Step 5. Use an HSA, Hidden Wealth Tool. This is where things get interesting. If you have access to an HSA, Health Savings Account, this might be the most powerful account you've never heard of. Why? Because it has triple tax benefits, tax deduction going in tax-free growth, tax-free withdrawals for medical expenses. No other account does that. And here's the smart move. If you can afford it, pay medical costs out of pocket. Let your HSA money stay invested. Over time, it can grow into a massive tax-free fund. Step 6. Max out your 401k. Now go back and fully fund your 401k. This reduces your taxes and builds long-term wealth. At this point, you're doing better than most people already, because most people never even get this far. Step 7. Taxable investments. Finally, we get to what everyone wants to start with: stocks, ETFs, crypto. But now you're ready, because your foundation is